So on the substation side, right now in the energy market, one thing leading back to what Carlos mentioned about listening to customers is ACSS high temp cable. So currently, substation was rated to 90C, but we're seeing a lot more customers that are asking for high temp connectors, and they're using high temp cable in their applications. So currently, we have a bolted T, a bolted terminal, a bifurcator, and a swage T currently in our test loop right now. So if those do complete, then AFL will be the first manufacturer to have tested to and be able to provide high temp connectors in the energy market.
So we're always introducing new components, new elements, new parts. I mean, we're always trying to innovate, be ahead, because utility market is changing very fast. I mean, it is a different pace today than it was 20 years ago. 20 years ago, it was very slow moving. I mean, right now, the energy market is moving very fast. And we at AFL, we need to move faster to be ahead of that market. So we are creating a lot of products these days just to be able to be ahead of what I just said, ahead of that market. High temp, all these specialty conductors that they are developing right now, we're developing all the hardware for that. So we're always definitely innovating new products. I'm sure, Marie, you probably have different products as well that you're working in your side as well.
Yeah, from a fiber optic cable perspective, we're always, similar to what you're saying, looking for ways that we can offer a comprehensive product portfolio that's going to cover all of the customers' needs. And 40 years ago, we were offering fiber optic cables that had 4 to 8 fibers. And with that increased demand for bandwidth, we're now offering 60 times that in our OPGW cables. So that's just leading us to figuring out how can we offer a higher fiber density in those same cables. And so one way we've done that through a recent release of 200 micron fiber in OPGW cables. So currently, we typically use 250 micron fiber in OPGW cables, but advances in the fiber manufacturing process have allowed us to decrease that fiber size without losing any of those properties. So for energy customers, what that means is they can put a higher fiber count in the same shell size of OPGW, or in scenarios where they're going to need a lighter cable, but they're going to need that same fiber density, they can do that as well with 200 micron fiber in OPGW. So it's very adaptable to the customer's needs and to the demand that we're seeing right now.